So question number 4 from second internal computer oriented numerical method is write algorithm for Lagrange's interpolation method. So we start with the solution. So for writing Lagrange's interpolation algorithm, firstly we need to understand what is Lagrange's interpolation. So here is a given table which have x1, x2, x3 to the xn variables corresponding to with y1, y2, y3 to yn variables. And there is a relationship between them is f of x equal to y. So for interpolating a variable, here is a formula for Lagrange's interpolation, which is f of x equal to x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4 to x minus xn upon x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 to x1 minus xn मल्टीप्लाई विथ y1. सो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसमें x1 को से माइनस नहीं करना है, बाकी सबसे x को माइनस करना है, एंड अपॉन में उस x1 वेरिएबल से बाकी सारे x वेरिएबल्स को माइनस करना है और मल्टीप्लाई में करस्पॉन्डिंगली y1 वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड सिमिलरली विथ सेकेंड टर्म हमें x2 से माइनस नहीं करना है, बाकी x माइनस x2, x माइनस x3 टू द x माइनस xn करना है, एंड अपॉन में उस x2 से बाकी सारे x वाले वेरिएबल्स को माइनस करना है एंड मल्टीप्लाई करना है उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग y2 से. And similarly it will go on to the xn and yn, and finally we will write this whole term as L1 of x and this whole term as L2 of x into this y2, and it will go on to ln of x into yn, and we will write this as a summation of from I equal to 0 to n li of x into yi, and here I is the summation of from 0 to n. Now we will discuss about algorithm for Lagrange's interpolation method. So first we need to start and read x comma n. Here x comma n are x are these values and n are total number of values. Now for the first we need to read xi yi, which is this table. xi is x1, x2, x3 to the xn, and yi is y1, y2, y3 to yn, and then we have initialized some variable with a 0, and then we will discuss about the main logic of Lagrange interpolation formula, which is this and this. So for Lagrange interpolation formula we need to two loops. First is for generating this term, and second loop for traversing and generating the whole term with this multiplication from 0 to n. So here the first loop is traversing from 1 to n plus 1, and in this loop there are various statements. First is we have initialized prod variable 1.0. Then a second loop is there for the this term generating. If j is not equal to I, then prod equal to prod into x minus xi upon xi minus xj. So simply regenerate with this term into y1 for I equal to 1. Now this loops end, and after generating this term multiply with yi and sum with the sum variable, it will provide the whole generating term from I equal to 0 to n li of x into yi, and then we will print our x comma sum and stop the algorithm.